Hello and what's up guys, welcome back to devlabs.ai. So in this video we are going to secure BigLake data and it is a challenging lab. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai guys. So guys, the saddest part is that I am getting the views but not the subscribers. So please make sure that please subscribe my channel and it would be more motivated to make such solutions as well as finding the solution for cloud solutions as well as AI. So guys, let me move to this lab. So make sure that please subscribe the channel guys. So let me move to this lab, click on start the lab and then copy a password and copy your open your Google Cloud Console in ignore mode and so just come back here and just copy the username here and then just paste it here and click on next here. So next is that copy your password and then paste your password here and click on next here. So after that click on I understand. So now click on wait for a few seconds. So click on agree and continue and then open a closure terminal guys in your lab. So remove the side menu and click on continue guys. So guys, come back guys. So come back, I will put a link in the description, so get access of that link. So just come back here. So just copy the export user to guys. So just copy this and just come back here and click on got it here and paste it here and just come back to our lab guys and click on task number 3 and below task number 3 you can see the id here given provided as user 2. So just copy this user 2 without any full stop or a gap here. Just copy this and then just come back here to your terminal and paste it here and click on enter and just come back here and then copy your curl command given in your github link here. So paste it here and click on enter guys. So click on authorize. So wait for 2 to 3 minutes guys, the lab will be easily solved guys. So guys, this is an november so sorry, this is an december triva week 1 game guys. So guys, this is an one of the lab of challenge lab of december triva of week 1. So at the next is there is a choose the correct answers, okay, multiple choices to be selected. So I'll be going to continue this part as well as for next session. So please do follow these steps guys and then we can completely triva everything in at once. So guys, follow if you are not at follow the older steps guys of mini labs of one Google storage at 1 and 2. So I'll be provided the video of that also, you can search it in our YouTube channel, so you can get access of that. And then guys, please make sure that please subscribe the channel and you can solve the week 1 driver in everything. I've been make a playlist of week 1 driver also. So our guys, our lab has been executed. So let us come back here. So let us check our progress of task number 1. Click on check my progress here. So click our task number 1 has been completed. Let me move for task number 2. So task number 2 also completed guys. Let me move for task number 3 guys. So task number 3 also completed guys. Finally our lab has been successfully completed guys. So let us end this lab. So before ending this lab, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on devlabs.ai guys. So let me meet on next video guys. Thank you guys. So hey guys, after completing this challenge lab, so welcome to this arcade Triva December 2024 week 1. So guys, let us start this lab guys. It will be a multiple choices. Just choose your right answers and then you can solve this lab and solve this Triva game easily. So just come back here and just select Google storage and makeup and then next one at which command would you see the Google. So now the next one is Google. This is cloud and the next one is which command do you choose for right cycle of counter again. So I'm going to choose the storage bucket and then let me choose for what command should we be updated in storage object to close storage mm, this code update, yeah. And then for this big lake I think I guess, yeah. And then Google storage. So guys, congratulations guys. Finally, our lab has been successfully completed of this the Arcade Driver December of 2024 week 1. So guys, you can see it. The time is just 29. So guys, you have been successfully everything you have been completed. So you can end this lab after completing 5 minutes. So I am ending this lab as soon as possible. So let us end this lab and let us check out green tick has been done given or not. So click on submit here. So just come back here. So come below So you can see here we have been not completed this December driver. So make sure that complete this at least a 5 minutes to be spent here. So then your answers will be right. So click on again here and let me do once again here. So GC chloride bucket, and then GC chloride, and next one is this one, and next is this, and then next is BigLake, and then next is GC close storage. So we need to spend at least 5 minutes in this tab. So guys, this is your answers you can see here for everything. Just follow these answers and then you can solve your quiz easily. So let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.